Hi everyone, my name is Jessica. I go by Jess or Jessica. I currently live in South Jersey in Gloucester County. I completed my undergraduate social work degree at Widener and I graduated in 2017. I was a part of the CWEB program, which is an undergraduate program. We complete our internship at a child welfare agency. I currently still work at that child welfare agency in Delaware County. I am a caseworker in the placement department. When a child comes into foster care, they come to my unit and I work with the child as well as the family to move towards reunification with their families. If reunification is not possible, then I work towards other permanent options. I also have a second job, which is a customer service representative. I worked there previously. I just returned there. I worked there previously for about 8.5 years. Um, I really enjoy the summertime. I'm really excited because I just like being on the beach. I like relaxing on the beach. I like having my toes in the sand. I just really like being in the sun. And I really like the warm weather. I am really excited to start the online MSW program. I think it works really well with the way that my schedule can be because it can be pretty hectic with both jobs. But I am also really nervous because I'm nervous about time management and getting used to Canvas because we didn't have Canvas when I was an undergraduate major. So it is a lot getting used to, and I don't want anything to get missed. But overall, I am really excited to start the program.